we're gonna try something today different. Instead of showing geckos or talking about the coronavirus or snakes or anything else, we're gonna do a fluid art. So we're just gonna start mixing hers up. I'm gonna start mixing mine up, and let's see what happens.
So first you need to add just a little amount of glue. We're not doing a big canvas, so
We'll get all our colors mixed up here, and then we'll show y'all in a little bit how it looks. We'll get a better we'll get closer up on it. Got it? Okay. You go ahead and get to your next step.
the bigger the canvas, the more glue you need.
I don't ever add a lot of water to mine because I like to pour it right onto the top of the canvas. So I like the colors to be thick.
And yes, I did put glue in one more cup, so extra cup.
So, and then on the oil, we do one oil to a cup. That way, that's what we get our little smears or little boiling spots in. So, yeah. Okay.
Wait till you put it in.
Just one. Well, make sure after you get it done, make sure it colors up real good.
I'm doing blue, pink, and purple.
And I'm doing blue, yellow, red, and pink. Gotta make sure you mix the colors up real good, because if not, it'd be some thick spots in the glue.
This does take a good minute to mix it up, so. My blue's gonna be pretty. It's like big blue.
Hope everybody's doing good out there. They're talking about opening up the states, so I don't know. We're gonna see what happens. What we do is we mix up each color into a cup, and at the end we pour each color into one cup. Turn it upside down onto the canvas itself, lay it down, and then slowly lift your cup up.
Yes, and some colors don't really go good together. But I don't really care what they look like, they're still pretty to me.
Okay, now I got all mine done. So what I'll do, I'm gonna take my bottom color, which is pink, and I pour my blue into it, straight into it, just slowly. Pour it all the way into it. Get all the paint. Once all your paint's done, twist your cup a little bit so you won't get it on your canvas. Set it to the side, and I'll go my red. I'll do my red next. Pour it directly into that blue that you poured in. You'll see it bubbling into the top. When you get it boiled into the top, roll your cup so you don't get it on your canvas. And I'll do my yellow. Pour it directly into the middle. Don't twist it around none. And then pour it straight into the middle. And then twist it around, and I'll show you what it's going to look like. While River's getting hers done.
The color
See how that looks?
5 times at least.
When I get mine done, I just stick my dipstick all the way in the middle, and I'll do like 2 or 3 twists in there, so to give that color definition. Then once you got all your colors mixed up, once every color is mixed up, be very careful. This is how we do it right here. We take and turn our canvas upside down on the paint, dead in the center. We always use too much paint. We've always done it. Turn it upside down like this, and sit it flat in the middle of your cardboard, so it don't run out onto the table.
And you need to put plastic or something on the bottom because this makes a big mess.
Well, we're good at making messes.
Yeah.
You can see all this paint on this porch. This is our canvas area.
Yeah.
So, River, we'll let River do hers first. Let's come that way.
Ready?
Yep.
This is satisfying to me.
Okay. She'll take and twist that paint all the way around. Once she gets hers done like that, she'll just slowly start picking it up and easing the colors to where she wants it at. Sometimes when we're making them, we don't even cover it all the way over the canvas sometimes. Sometimes if you want it, you can cover the whole canvas with your paint and let it dry like that. So we'll see how she does hers. She's going to cover the whole canvas this time. So it's almost there. A little bit. Perfect. Look at that. Look how pretty that turned out.
That was probably one of my favorites.
Alright, what I'm going to do mine, I'm going to do a slow drip. I'm going to just ease it up slowly. You'll feel the air bust loose on it. Boom. And I just take mine and I'll go out to the sides like this right here. That puts that bottom color back onto the top. Twist it up like this right here. I have to touch the camera, so I really don't want to have to lift this up. I'll roll mine down this way. I'll roll it down this way. Roll it back down this way. And on this side right here, keep my one hand good. I'll roll it back down this way.
And you will start seeing bubbles. That's because of the oil.
See how that is? Y'all keep looking at that. Let me get this off so I can pick up the camera. Go ahead, tell them, River.
So the oil makes it bubble more, and if you do like the bubbles, you can add more by what's it called? The fire.
Yeah, flame.
Yeah, the flames. You can just put it around here, and you'll get more bubbles.
Okay, let me show y'all. This is River's right here. Let me get this camera strap out of the way here. Let me zoom in on this.
Pretty sure bugs are about to get into it.
No, it's looking pretty. Keep real still for a second. Yeah. Come over here, look at this. Zoom in real quick. Let it set.
This does take a good while to dry, but I love to do these in my times that I'm bored.
Okay. Like I said, guys, we was going to do something different this time, so we decided to do a fluid art. In the earlier time when we first started messing around with YouTube, we weren't really serious about it, so we did a couple YouTube videos doing the fluid art. We could have pushed it a little farther, but we didn't. But now we like doing all the art, so I'm going to start doing some airbrushing, some fluid art. We're going to start messing around with some paintings. We're going to do some shirts, some tags. I'm going to do a motorcycle. It's going to be some cool stuff. But
And I'm not the best, but I like to do painting, so you'll see me do some too.
But like I said, please like and subscribe to our channel. And we hope to keep you entertained. Maybe we can do some different things, you know. Look how pretty that's going to be. It's going to be nice. See that? But what we'll do an update on after it dries. We'll do an update. Just add some pictures into it. So, like I said, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And hit the bottom button down here. Give us a thumbs up for your likes. If you don't like it, give us a thumbs down. Tell us what we did wrong or what y'all like to see. Give us some comments. If you want to see something done, ask some questions about it and we'll do it. But please, like and subscribe. Click this subscribe button and do your notifications so you can start getting some of our cool videos. Thank you, and y'all have a good one, YouTube. Say bye, babe.